morning, good morning. Yes sir. Y'all can't see it, but yeah, I'm sure y'all can't see that, but the gauge journey has begun, man. Y'all seen previously? Y'all seen me, man, inserting the 14 gauge, 14G. A few hour update, but it ain't hurting no more. Like it ain't. It never hurt it. It was like a little sting, like a little pinch, just like when you first get your ears pierced. You know what I'm saying? It felt like that. Yeah, I slept on it and shit. It ain't get caught on nothing. I don't want to speak too soon, but it ain't get caught on nothing or nothing like that. So I'm assuming I'm good. You know what I mean? What's going on here? Yeah, it ain't get caught on nothing or nothing like that. So it's not sore. I ain't touched it, but I don't feel like it's sore. Like I've been laying on my ears and all that, so it don't feel sore, nothing like that. But yeah. Yeah, I'll just stay tuned, man. This good old gauge journey, man. Dare to be different. I'm about to give away or donate all my earrings. Cause they definitely ain't gonna work no more. But yeah, man, head to the workhouse early this morning, man. 6 o'clock. I guess it's hey, I seen that shit. I couldn't even miss it. I guess it's grind season, man. It got cool outside, so now it's time to grind, man. Which all the time should be grind season, but I guess it's time to grind, man, for the summer now. So I guess I'm gonna be doing a whole lot. Footage wise, you know what I'm saying, self wise, you know what I'm saying, probably. I'm gonna have to get back on my workout regimen. And yeah, man, get ready for 2023 if God says the same. But yo, I'm going to get in this truck. Hit y'all in a second, man. Man, I'm up too early. The moon ain't even went to sleep yet. Man. Ooh wee. But y'all can see trunks. Let's see how this journey go, man. See how big I can get with John. I ain't trying to be stupid outrageous like this or nothing like that. So other want me a nice little size gauge, man. Do my thing with that. But man, I gotta go back to the house cause my headset is I don't know how dead it is, but my charger at home, I can't even charge it because the charger is dead. So I need to go and get the charger. And yeah, I'm gonna need that. It's early, so I ain't worried about nobody calling me right now, no way. So that's usually when I charge it, like early in the morning, so it'll be ready for me for the rest of the day. I know it ain't dead, but ain't nothing wrong with keeping the charge. But let me grab this trailer real quick, snatch off, so I can go to the house and get this charge and see how this day unfold, man. Oh, don't forget, man. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Please consider subscribing. If you're not new to the channel, please like, comment, share, man. Please share, man. Please share. Let these folks know, man, B-Lo got something going on, man. So, yeah. Now, back to what I aforesaid. See how the day unfolds. Woo-wee. I should have vlogged this more. I should have, man. First of all, how y'all doing? Good afternoon. I should have started vlogging this morning, man, so y'all can see how pretty the day was. Right now, not so much. Show you what I mean. And this just came from out of nowhere. Like, it was just fully sunny, light out like 30 minutes ago. And it ain't raining hard. Don't get me wrong, it ain't raining hard like pouring down or nothing like that. It's just raining, but it wasn't none of this a second ago. Like, it was for real deal, like sunshine out. Like something that you would love to be a part of. You know? My old battery back here that's charging. But yeah, man. I guess this just goes to show how fast life can change. If you want to use it or something. This is indication, confirmation that life can change in the blink of an eye. Straight like that. Oh boy. Yeah, so I want to show you how that. Yeah, right there. Oh, it's a battery. Gotta charge that battery too. But I ain't gonna have enough time, so put it on in there. Uh-oh. Hey, what the phone? Put it on in the bag, cause we ain't got time for it. Oh boy. Yeah, but man, it's day 2, man. With the gauge is in, still no pain, no none of that good stuff, man. So we still good. We still good. We got 28 more days, man. 28 more days. Your boy moving up with the gauges, man. But yeah. Y'all know I don't really like driving this type of stuff. I don't really like being out in the weather like that. So let me go ahead and get this truck back to the yard. Hop the Firebird. And get on to the house, man, because we don't do this. Velo don't do this. Woo. Yeah, man. So we are off work, man. Now I gotta head out here, pick this merch up, man. I got some stuff that I gotta ship off. I know for sure I got stuff I gotta ship out this weekend, and I got some stuff that I need to ship off ASAP, like in the morning type, because it's a shirt that I left off an order. Well, I didn't leave it off, it wasn't in yet. So I took him the other half of his order. I pulled up on him and took the other half of the order. But this part of the order wasn't in, so now it's in. I'm gonna ship that off. But yeah, I gotta head out here, man. Also, man, I gotta pull up on my dog Memphis Mike, man. It's gonna be I don't know how the vibe gonna be with that, but I'll let y'all know about that, man, once I get ready to head that way. But yeah, it's gonna be different. I say that. Yeah, let me go ahead and get out here, man, so I can get on back. Gotta go on the other side of town, so I can go out here, get on back. Probably pick the kid up on the way, drop him off at the house, and yeah. Boy, I'm sitting over here in this Sam's parking lot, man. I'm talking about the little gas station, man. These folks here driving like, boy, they on the racetrack. But anyway, man, picked up the merch. I ain't get nothing but 2 sets done and a shirt. You know what I'm saying? So I see what's going on. Yes, sir. Got it. Man, what's this? Oh, it's a trailer. So we got that merch, man. So hey, might finna get ready to drop these sweatsuits, man. I was trying to really wait until, man, it got a little cooler, but I think I'm finna go ahead and, man, drop what I got. If not, it ain't gonna be this week, so it'll be next week. This is the 12th, so I might drop it next week. Drop it next week. So they'll already be, I ain't gonna say I'll be ahead of the game, but I'll be in there, you know what I'm saying, as far as fall gear goes. So yeah, man, just picked it up from the head. I guess I'm gonna go ahead and pick little dude up and run him to the house. I think I got some information wrote down about this car, you know what I'm saying, so I'm gonna try to find it so I can get that to Memphis Mike, man. We try to figure out how to get this car running. But yeah, it's a kind of sad story behind this car. So yeah, we'll get into that, man, when we get down there. Yeah, let's get a move on. Yeah, man, so picked up the baby, man. I already dropped him off at the house, headed down to Memphis Mike's shop, and man, I'm in here watching these boys, man, Goon Squad, man, on my mobile device. I mean, on my car device, man. Yeah, man, car TVs at its finest, man. Yeah. So, yeah, about to head down here, man. Which I already called him. I called him, told him I was on my way, but he said he actually figured it out. I had it wrote down at the house, so I went to the house to get it. To get all my notes on how to get this thing fired up, and he already got it figured out. So, but yeah, we got to head down here and tell y'all what's going on, man. So let y'all see what's going on, and yeah. Got us some footage, man. A little bit. 442. White guts in that thing. Thing look good. That thing look good. I just told this man I was finna pull up. Now he pulling out. I don't understand. Just told this nigga I was finna pull up. He pulling his ass off. What's cross street, bro? Brother told y'all finna pull up. You finna pull out?
Yeah, the shop's still open.
Oh, okay, alright. Yeah, man. Whew. Somebody wasn't so fortunate in this old Escalade here. Yeesh. So he said he finna pull up. He said he finna pull back up. So run in here and see what everybody else got going on, I guess. Oh boy. Hold on, y'all. Hold up. Yeah, man. So, down here at Memphis Mike, man. It's kind of, I ain't gonna say it's a hard moment, but it's kind of kind of hard, man, because I was like, he rolled with me. Hold on, I'm gonna get to it. Like he rolled me and everything.
Make sure it's still gonna crack.
Hold on. I'm looking at the right here on the alternator.
How many cups you want?
But yeah, well, y'all probably can't see it, but in my intro, when I was riding, he was in the car with me. He was like, man, I got one of these. That was the first day I met him. He was like, man, I got one of these, John, man. I'm trying to get it together. And he was like, man, it's okay if I call you, man. You know what I'm saying? Try to get my car together or whatever. I was like, yeah, cool. So he would ride with me or whatever. And yeah, man, we developed a relationship like that. You know what I'm saying? Like he was riding with me. He'll text me every now and then. You know what I'm saying? Hey, man, B-Lo, I'm stuck. I need to do such. I again, whatever information I knew or whatever. And yeah. So here, I think it's a 96. Yeah, it's a 95 or a 96. I think it's a 96 though. But long story short, man, from then to now, he was a police officer, and to my recollection, it's Memphis Mike's cousin. But to my recollection, man, he someone that had an accident on the expressway, and he was trying to help him, and some kind of way 18-wheeler lost control or somebody did something and it hit him, man, and it took his life. So yeah, this right here a little different for me, man. You know what I'm saying? To see the, cause I had never seen the car in person. You know what I'm saying? For me to see the car and actually, man, you know what I'm saying, have the pleasure or the honor to working on it. You know what I'm saying? When Mike asked me to help him, you know what I'm saying, much as I could, man, to, you know what I'm saying, try to get it right, get it running for his wife. Like his wife want to get it running. So yeah, I'm gonna be doing this. I'm gonna be giving mine everything I can as far as help and intel or whatever I can do, man, to have this junk running. But yeah, man, it's kind of crazy, you know what I'm saying? Be looking at it and he ain't here to actually ride this junk. He ain't here to actually mind be asking me the question this time. So yeah, but y'all just heard it fired up. You know what I'm saying? So we gonna get it. We gonna tag team on it, man, and get it done how we need to get it done, man. So she can have it at the house with her, whatever she gonna do with it. I'm pretty sure she ain't gonna get rid of it. But yeah. So R.I.P. man, and like I said, we're gonna try to get this junk up and get it done how it needs to be done, man. Why that interior light still on? Mike probably got it on. Well, it might go out by itself.